Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 13, Part B, Section 1. 80 adults solve the same puzzle as the students. The cumulative frequency table shows information about the time taken by each adult to solve the puzzle. In this section, we need to draw a cumulative frequency diagram on the grid. In this question, we are given cumulative frequencies for different values of time. Cumulative frequency means the total number of adults who finished the puzzle in less than or equal to a certain time. To draw a cumulative frequency diagram, we plot time on the horizontal axis and cumulative frequency on the vertical axis. Then we plot the given points and join them with a smooth curve. Now let us write the points we need to plot. When time is 20 seconds, cumulative frequency is 0. So the first point is 20, 0. When time is 40 seconds, cumulative frequency is 12. So the second point is 40, 12. When time is 60 seconds, cumulative frequency is 36. So the third point is 60, 36. When time is 80 seconds, cumulative frequency is 60. So the fourth point is 80, 60. When time is 100 seconds, cumulative frequency is 74. So the fifth point is 174. When time is 120 seconds, cumulative frequency is 80. So the last point is 120, 80. Now let's mark these points on the grid, considering time on the horizontal axis starting from 20 up to 120, and cumulative frequency on the vertical axis starting from 0 up to 80. We shall plot all the points carefully using a pencil and ruler. I shall use different colours to just explain, but it's not needed to use different colours. For first point, time is 20, and cumulative frequency is 0. Let's mark it as red point. For second point, time is 40, and cumulative frequency is 12. Let's mark it as green point. For third point, time is 60, and cumulative frequency is 36. Let's mark it as blue point. For fourth point, time is 80 and cumulative frequency is 60. Let's mark it as yellow point. For fifth point, time is 100 and cumulative frequency is 74. Let's mark it as purple point. For sixth and the last point, time is 120 and cumulative frequency is 80. Let's mark it as navy blue point. After plotting all the points, let's join them with a light hand to draw a smooth curve. Do not join the points with straight, sharp lines. The curve should rise smoothly because cumulative frequency always increases. Excellent! We have correctly drawn the cumulative frequency diagram, which is the required answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.